Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to recover your program when by Murphy's Law it erased from your PLC. The light went off, had a power outage, you had no batteries on your PLC, whatever happened. So here it is. Your program will be kept always on the EEPROM of your PLC.
So, but let's say you don't have another in power, so unplug the PLC.
So, for example, if we're going to unplug it, then you recover here, and you're going to try to run your program again. So, mode 3, run, you hit enter, and what happens? Error 52, there is no program. Oh, so you can recover it easily. You can recover it from the EEPROM. So we're going to say mode 7. You're going to read it from the EEPROM. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so now we load it to the memory from the EEPROM to the memory of your PLC. And now we're going to run it. Mode 3. Okay. Let's see. Enter. Run. And here we are. Again, our little program, short one, running again in your PLC. Nothing happened. Okay, guys? So, take it easy and keep me for more advices on these PLCs. Watch us in the near videos we're going to do. Bye.